Hello everyone, my name is Camille, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today's video, what we're going to be doing is showing you guys some tips and tricks on how you guys can make a $500 this weekend through photography / videography, because some of these tips will apply to videography as well. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So tip number one is go out and shoot a wedding. Shoot some photos of a wedding. There are loads of weddings that are happening right now. Go reach out, advertise on Facebook, your local Facebook groups. There's probably local Facebook groups where you live. Where I personally live, we have a local Facebook group for everyone that lives in the area, and everyone's constantly asking for wedding videographers, wedding photographers, and people are offering amounts between $150 to $500 per shoot, which is absolutely amazing. So join these Facebook groups, have a look. Are there any weddings happening right now, especially now when the restrictions, like the COVID restrictions, are being let down a little bit, so there's a little bit more freedom. You're able to make that money through some wedding photography. But when it comes to wedding videography, I don't think you can make a quick buck with that, mainly because it's more of a lengthier process. You've got to capture the story. You're not just capturing images, even though with the images you are capturing a specific story. Those images, especially when you're working on a lower budget, you don't really have to go so in depth into editing them. You can possibly choose a specific camera filter or set up your cameras in a specific way that make the photos look great straight out of the camera, so when it does come to the editing process, you're only editing the minor details, which will allow you to speed up your process and make that $500 straight away within 1 to 2 days. Tip number two is combining your shoots, and this kind of ties in with tip number three, so we're going to do tip number 2 and 3 together, mainly because they are so similar but different on different aspect ratios. And what I mean by that is, when it comes to photography, you can combine your shoots and shoot in the same location. A lot of the times a location will charge you for using that place, so if you can combine 2 shoots or 2 client shoots or 2 clients or whatnot in one location, it will make you more money and it will save you a lot of money. And using the same crew, let's say you need actors, models, I don't know, an assistant, a camera assistant of some sort, or lighting assistant, it will save you money because you only have to hire them for 1 day, and you can hire them for your specific niche for like 1 job, but you're specifically doing 2 jobs. So you're accepting 2 jobs, but the people that are working for you, they're working for you as a 1 job. They're just doing 2 shoots within 1 day. So you're just paying them 1 salary, but you're taking in 2 payments. And tip number 3, which is combined with tip number 2, which also works for video and photos, well, mainly we're leaning towards video, and I've done this quite recently, well, just before COVID. I've been doing a little bit of a fitness shoot for this fitness Instagram influencer. If you guys want to go and check him out, I'll leave a link in the description below to his Instagram. Absolutely amazing dude, extremely shredded, big, huge. I was extremely intimidated when I was at the gym shooting some video for him, but I made a deal saying, hey, I can charge you less if you allow me to use this footage somewhere else. And a lot of people, a lot of clients, especially if they can get something for much cheaper for whatever needs they want, they only wanted the footage, and they will agree to your terms. Obviously, if it's like a big company and brand, they won't agree to your terms for you to reuse that footage somewhere else. But if you're working with like an individual or like a small brand or like a small company, they'll be more than happy to save $50 or $100 on the shoot in order for you to reuse that footage again, which in reality you can reuse that footage and make money somewhere else. And I've done this. I took that footage, I made money from the shoot, I gave the footage away, he had his own editor, the editor edited his footage, and I took this footage and forwarded it forward to a different project that I was working on. I've edited it with fitness as therapy, I've edited it in my dream video, and I've also used that footage in several other projects, which just made things unique because you're not always using 100% of that footage, but that footage is there. So if you make an agreement with your client where you shoot for 1 or 2 days and they allow you to use that footage, that 1 or 2 days of work will save you time later on down the line, and you have footage where in 1 weekend down the line in the future you can reuse in order to create a brand new project for your future clients. But unfortunately, that does bring us to the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like. If you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed these sort of tips and tricks videos, and also the tutorials I've been posting recently. Some of them have been getting loads of support, and some of them are just normal, but still, thank you so much for the absolutely amazing support on the ones that have been blowing up. But anyways, guys, I'm going want to end this video here. If you guys have any suggestions for videos, do let me know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody, and bye bye.